Let's suppose that the next part of our design is we'd like to put a water feature in this area here. Now gardenCAD's got built into it some general blocks, and it just so happens that one of those is of a water feature arrangement. So in it comes, we'll move it, it's highlighted at the moment, we'll just move it over here. And you can see that water feature was designed such that the water feature itself is off to the right. We'd like to, for the sake of argument, to butt that up against the seating. So we just select it. It's still one object at this stage, and select rotate. And we could click down on the bottom corner. We'll put snap on and just snap around there, and we can just rotate by moving our mouse around. Rotate and put in position. Now you notice the polar 270, 180. So in it goes. Now we could move it. So select it again, move, and we'll just pick a point in the middle there, and we can move it over. What's happened here is that we move to a midpoint. So snap mid must have been on. We'll try again. We pick it, right click and move. Click in the middle there. Now we can move it much better. It's not jumping. And so we just move it, position it by eye. We can do some fancier adjustments at a later stage. So now the water feature, the wall behind it butts up there. You might not like that, but we're showing you the ability to rotate. Notice that we've rotated the text here, so we click on the water feature and explode it. That breaks it up into its constituent elements. So now we can pick that text and right click and erase the text. I'll try that again. Erase and erase. There's a couple of leaders there. We can erase those. And there's another one over here. We can erase that one. We're removing that and erase that. So now our plants are separate. So if we wanted to add some rotation, we could do this sort of thing and rotate. And we could even scale at that point. And sorry, that's still rotating. Pick it and scale, mark a point in the middle and scale things up. So we put a larger version of the pygmy date palm or macrozamia, whatever it is that we're going to put in there. I'll just clean up. But can you see, this might be low enough to sit at about seat height, and we can look down into the water feature. These will be fountain jets going through there. We have a photograph later to show the client how that goes. So can you see, using those general blocks can stamp in quite complex assemblies. Saves you a lot of drafting time. You might have in your library half a dozen different water feature arrangements.